Here in the elephant habitat, we have what's called a feed pod. This device is really cool because it's basically an automatic feeder. Keepers don't have to be here when this goes off. We can set different times and also different frequencies. It can be randomized or on a schedule. So essentially this hits a certain time of day and then it'll release the pellets onto the ground or food. Today we filled it with horse treats, which the elephants really like. And so we'll run a cycle and let you guys see how it works. I hate